welcome back to my channel. Okay guys, for today's video we're just gonna be doing like a little transformation glow up like video. You know, I'm looking a little rough today. So it's 10:07 right now and we're just gonna get right into it. The first step of this transformation is gonna be a nice workout. I mean, I don't know about you guys, but I personally always feel better after I get a little workout and I feel refreshed. I feel refreshed, like I actually did something, you know? Maybe it's just me. Anywho, I'm gonna go change into my clothes really quick. I'll be right back. Okay, we're back with our workout clothes on. I normally just work out in like a sports bra and leggings or something depending on where I go, but today I switched it up and I just put on like a little Nike tank top and some white shorts and tennis shoes. I'm not gonna lie and say I like work out all the time, because I don't. I definitely don't, so we'll see how this goes. Okay, we're back from the gym now. It is safe to say I am very, very much out of shape. For now, we're just gonna hop in the shower real quick, get all squeaky clean, and continue with this transformation. Now that I'm all showered, I'm probably gonna do like a little sheet mask because my skin has been super dry lately for some reason. Normally I'm oily, so I don't know what's going on, and then do a little bit of makeup too. Okay, I got everything all set up here. I'm just sitting at my little desk in my room. But before I start my makeup, I'm gonna do this little sheet mask right here. I always love doing sheet masks before I put on my makeup because I just feel like it gives me some hydration for one, and it just makes everything go on super smooth. I'm gonna show y'all my favorite album of the moment. Okay, Portraits by Grayson Chance. Sorry, I can't talk very well in this mask. But now I'm just gonna do like a little light makeup look. I don't feel like putting anything super heavy. I really haven't introduced myself to you guys. I should probably do that. So, my name is Jasmine. Welcome to my channel. I'm just gonna do some little fun facts about myself. Not really fun, but I'm 20 years old, almost 21. I live in Oklahoma, which most of you probably know that because it's mostly Oklahoma people watching. I'm not in school right now at the moment. I just kind of hated college. That's like a whole nother video I could make on that. Okay, we're just gonna speed through me rambling on about nothing here. Nothing important, you're not missing anything. Okay guys, makeup is all done now. Nothing super special. Now we've worked out, took a shower, and did our makeup. And our final step is the outfit, which is the most important part. So I'll see you guys with the final look. That's all for today's video. Those are my steps from going DRAB to FAB. Thank you all for watching, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment something down below. And I will see you guys in my next video. But like, if I needed a sugar daddy, it'd be him. But I Can't bring myself to that point in life.